Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change your thumbnail frame for a video on Dailymotion on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Dailymotion, have uploaded a video to your Dailymotion account, and then we can change the video thumbnail frame. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to dailymotion.com. Use the bookmark shortcut. Click on Dailymotion. Now let's go to settings. Go to Partner HQ. Let's go to a video that we have uploaded. So let's now just go to the first ever video that was uploaded to the Dailymotion account. Click on the video. We can now click on use frame once we navigate to a section of the video of our choice. So let's now play the video. And let's say this is the frame we wish to use. Click on use frame. And currently where the video is on, that's the frame that will come into play for us. And so now the video frame has changed in accordance to what we have clicked on. So let's now go back to videos and go to the oldest video that was uploaded to the page. So now that itself has changed with its frame. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.